Hello dear viewers, welcome. In each video on this channel, we invite you to embark on a fascinating journey exploring our furry friends. Our goal is to guide you in finding the most suitable dog breed for you. However, keep in mind that this is a shared exploration, and the process of finding your unique companion is entirely in your hands. In our concept, each video thoroughly examines a different dog breed. However, determining which one is most suitable for you is entirely up to you. Everyone's lifestyle, energy level, and preferences are different. Therefore, by watching these videos and considering your own characteristics and expectations, you will discover which dog breed is the most suitable for you. Let's start this fun and informative adventure together. Watch this video to find out which furry friend is most compatible with you. Are you ready? Well then, let's get started. Hello dear viewers, today we embark on an amazing adventure with Bulldogs. Bulldogs are special dogs known for their strong personalities and affectionate behaviors. Throughout this video, we will delve into which type of individuals would better match with Bulldogs. Now, it's time to take a deeper look into the world of Bulldogs. Bulldogs are a perfect fit for individuals who are affectionate and love to cuddle. If you have an energetic, cheerful personality with a touch of playfulness, Bulldogs are just right for you. These companions adapt to your positive energy and bring joy to your daily life. Moreover, Bulldogs are an excellent choice for those who prefer relaxing at home and don't necessarily seek frequent outdoor activities. They enjoy being by your side during calm moments, creating a peaceful atmosphere at home. For instance, Bulldogs can make wonderful companions for individuals living alone. Known for their loyalty to their owners, Bulldogs can be a perfect choice to alleviate the sense of loneliness. There you have it, dear viewers. Throughout this video, we explored which type of individuals would best match with Bulldogs. If you believe spending time with these warm-hearted companions is special, or if you want to find out if this unique breed is suitable for you, continue following our channel. This channel aims to provide guidance for those considering adopting a dog and introduce the unique characteristics of each furry friend. If you are looking to find a furry companion that suits your lifestyle, keep following us. We bid farewell to this enjoyable video filled with Bulldogs until our next adventure.
Papa vibes.